How to watch Peacock TV outside the US on phone. Watching Peacock TV outside the US on your phone lets you enjoy its exclusive content anywhere you go. As you can see, I'm not from the US right now, that's why I can't really access Peacock TV right now, but basically I'm going to show you how to get this done. You're just going to go ahead and close this one and open your Play Store or your App Store. Here, go ahead and download PureVPN. Now, the reason why we are using PureVPN is because currently it has more than 80% discount offer plus a 31-day money-back guarantee. Additionally, if you are going to use the code PURE15, you can get an additional 15% discount. So if you are interested, click the link in the description or the comment section below for you to avail this. Now from here, we're just going to open it after downloading, and we're just going to go ahead and click this one right here, click locations, and then you're going to go ahead and look for the US. So just click that one, and we're going to go ahead and skip this for now. So from this point forward, it is going to connect us to US. There you go. Now that we are connected, we're going to go back to our Chrome, and here in our Chrome, we're just going to type Peacock TV, and we're going to go ahead and click the first one. So this one right here. And there you go. So you no longer have that unavailable thing earlier. And yeah, that is how you are going to get this done. And once again, if you are interested in the offers and services I mentioned, go ahead and try PureVPN now to avail 80% worth of discount, plus the use of coupon code PURE15 for an additional 15% off. And as always, please don't forget to subscribe and leave this video a like if it helps you out.